Hi, Joyce once again, and I'm here at home, and I wanted to share another video of yoga, and this is to help strengthen the core, and it will also tighten the hamstrings and your bottom. So I did the top yesterday on Facebook, and so if you enjoy this video, please share it. If not, then thank you for joining in. I think that in this time that we're living right now, there's a lot of hardship and there's a lot of fear and a lot of anxiety. Yoga is a way for you to relax your mind, your body, and your spirit, and it helps you to think about the good things. And that's what you need to concentrate on, is the good things. The laughter of a child, the joy of having family, the thankfulness of just being well. And those that are not well, pray for them during your quiet times. And so this is my exercises we're going to do today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get up off the floor and we're going to do some squats. And I don't need a chair, but if you need a chair, then go for it, because I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to get hurt. But you just go down like you're going to sit in a chair and then come up. Down and then up. Down and then up. Now, if this hurts your knees, you're doing it wrong, okay? Because you're not supposed to hurt. Your knees are not supposed to hurt. If you spread your legs out just a little farther like this and then do it, that might help a little bit, okay? So just whatever you can do, you're the one that's in charge of your body. You're the one that knows what your body can do and can't do, okay? So that is squats, and that helps the core. It also tightens these muscles in here, and it tucks in the bottom. I've lost 50 pounds plus, and I'm 64, almost 65, and so I try to stay trim. I don't want to go back the way I was, and that's why I choose yoga and walking as my exercise. Now, if you don't choose that, that's fine. You know, it's your thing. But it's easier for me. It's easier on my joints. I've had back surgery, so I know pain, and I don't want to go through pain. Okay, so now we're going to do an exercise that I really like a lot, because it will tuck your tummy in and will also tighten your bottom and tighten your legs, okay? So this one here, we lay flat on the floor like this, and we'll raise our bottom up and squeeze those bottoms together. Just squeeze them tight, and then just hold it there for a minute. And this may be difficult if you've never done this before, but I've done it a long time. So this doesn't bother me at all. But if it does for you, then just hold it up as long as you can, and then go back down. Go up, and then down. Keeping your tummy in at all times, because that's what's going to help keep those muscles, to get them to where they're strong. And when you get older, you need a strong core. Now, what I want you to do is pretend like you have a little ball right between your knees right here, okay? And you're going to squeeze that ball with your bottom up in the air. Now, if you can't do this, then don't do it, okay? But we're going to pretend like we have a little ball, and we're holding that little ball, and you'll feel the pulling in here. You'll feel that. And that's tightening those muscles, and that's what you want. So, you know, some people that's lost a lot of weight, they have a lot of saggy skin. That's one thing that I don't have, and I'm glad. And I think a lot of it is from exercise and walking and stuff. So just keep your body limber as long as you can, and now relax. And if you can't hold yourself up as long as me, that's fine. But that is a very good exercise, and then that's all I'm going to do today. I do hope you'll tune in again. And remember, good thoughts, not bad. God bless.